In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Figma design in Squarespace. Start by opening your design in Figma. This can be a single frame, a full prototype, or a multi-screen flow. Once you have the right file on screen, look to the top right and click the Share button. This is where you control who can view your design outside of Figma and where you'll grab the embed code you need. Inside the Share settings, adjust the permissions so that anyone can view. This is crucial. If your permissions are too restrictive, your Squarespace visitors will see a blank area or an error instead of your design. Setting it to anyone keeps your work visible on your site without granting edit access in Figma. Double-check that it reflects public viewing and that you are sharing the correct page or prototype start point. Next, still in the Share dialog, select Get Embed Code. Figma will generate a small HTML snippet, typically an iframe that securely displays your design on other sites. Click to copy that embed code. You don't need to modify it. We'll paste it directly into Squarespace. Now switch over to your Squarespace site and navigate to the page where you want the design to appear. Enter edit mode on that page so you can work with content blocks. Add a code block to the section where you want the Figma frame to live. The code block is designed for snippets like this and ensures the embed displays properly within your layout. Open the code block settings and paste the Figma embed code into the editor. You should see the full iframe snippet there. Keep it as. It includes the source link and dimensions Figma recommends. When you are done, apply the changes in the block. Finally, save the page. After saving, Squarespace will render the interactive Figma design right on your site. You'll be able to scroll, click through prototypes, and present your work exactly as it appears in Figma. If your Squarespace layout is responsive, the embed will adapt to different screen sizes, making it great for desktop and mobile viewers alike. That's it. Thanks for watching.